Welcome to Data Toolkit for Sheets, API Tool Explainer. Tired of writing custom scripts to test APIs? Need to quickly debug a curl command or visualize a JSON response without all the setup? This video is for you. We know the pain. Copying and pasting, reformatting, and constantly updating spreadsheets. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and keeps you from focusing on what truly matters: analysis and strategy. Say goodbye to manual data entry with the API tool by Data Toolkit for Sheets. It's designed to streamline your workflow and supercharge your productivity. The API tool makes data import incredibly simple. You can instantly import data by pasting a CURL command, or use our intuitive no-code request builder to define your API calls. No programming knowledge required. Once your data is imported, instantly visualize your API data with one-click charts and graphs directly within Google Sheets. But it doesn't stop there. Automate your data flow by scheduling daily or hourly refreshes. This ensures your Google Sheets are always up to date with the latest information directly from any API. The API tool delivers powerful benefits. Save countless hours by eliminating manual work, reduce errors with automated imports, and make faster, more informed decisions with real-time, accurate data at your fingertips. For developers, it's a rapid testing tool. Instantly test API endpoints, validate authentication, and check responses right in your browser. Go from a curl command to a clean data table in seconds. And for data analysts, quickly test and import data from multiple API endpoints without the need to write complex scripts. Focus on analysis, not data wrangling. Ready to transform your data workflow? Get started with the API tool by Data Toolkit for Sheets today and experience the future of data integration.